The new era of trading, navigating the 24/5 revolution. The financial landscape is undergoing a profound transformation. The rise of 24/5 and around-the-clock trading, once the exclusive domain of the forex and cryptocurrency markets, is now rapidly expanding to stocks and ETFs. This paradigm shift marks a move away from the constraints of the traditional 9-to-5 trading day, creating a market that never sleeps. But what is driving this change, and what does it mean for the modern trader? This seismic shift is propelled by powerful forces. Technological advancements, particularly electronic communication networks, ECNs, have eliminated the need for a physical trading floor, creating the infrastructure for continuous operation. This is amplified by a growing global investor base that demands the ability to react to market-moving news in real time, regardless of their time zone. Furthermore, the expansion of algorithmic trading thrives in this environment, executing complex strategies automatically. The influence of crypto markets, which operate 24/7, has also raised investor expectations, while intense brokerage competition pushes firms to offer these extended sessions. The benefits of this new model are compelling. It offers unparalleled flexibility and accessibility, allowing traders to act on their schedule. Crucially, it provides the ability to react to global news instantly, enabling proactive risk management and opportunity capture. This constant activity also leads to enhanced price discovery, minimizing overnight gaps and creating a more accurate, real-time market consensus, while helping to mitigate the sharp volatility often seen at market opens and closes. However, this always-on environment is not without its challenges and risks. Lower liquidity during off-peak hours can lead to wider spreads and slower order execution. This thin volume can also cause higher volatility, where a single trade can trigger significant price swings. For institutions, the operational and infrastructure costs are substantial, and the risk of burnout for human traders is a very real concern in a relentless market. In conclusion, the expansion of continuous trading is an irreversible trend, redefining accessibility and strategy. While it presents significant opportunities for the agile investor, navigating its volatility and complexity requires a sophisticated approach. For brokers and traders alike, success in this new era will depend on robust technology, disciplined risk management, and a deep understanding of this dynamic 24/7 world.